Hi everyone. We have read in chapter 1. We're going to read chapter 2. How living things grow. Big idea vocabulary. Flower. Plant part that makes seed or fruit. Page 76. Seed. Plant part that can grow into a new plant. Page 76. Seedling is a young plant. Page 80. Lesson 1. Plants make new plant. Ooh, plants make new plant? Are you sure? Let's read about it. Look and wonder.
What is it?
These are beans.
What are they?
Oh yeah.
Beans. Okay.
Where do you think the seeds in this plant are? You think? Vocabulary. Flower. Seed. Pollen. Seedling. Life cycle. Where do seeds come from? A flower is a part of a plant that makes seed and fruit. A seed is the part of a plant that can grow into a new plant. Part of the flower make pollen. Pollen is a sticky powder inside the flower that helps make seed. Ooh, look at this. I saw a bee.
Okay. Bee on the flower.
Yep. This part of the flower grows into a fruit with seed.
What the bee do?
They make honey.
Honey.
Yes. And they also do a lot of things. Animals such as birds and bees can move pollen between flowers. Wind and water can move pollen too. What makes pollen help a plant to make? They help plant make fruit.
What is it?
Oh, here is melons. It's a kind of fruit.
Cái này tiếng Việt gọi là dưa vàng.
Cool, the seed protect the fruit protect the seed inside. How do seeds look? Most plants have seed to make new plants. Oh, now I know. They make seed inside here and then the ones scatter the seed to make new plants. Oh, now I know. Most plants have seed to make new plants. Seeds have food inside them to help the new plant grow. There are many different shapes and sizes of seeds. Many seeds are small. Wind or water can carry them away. Other seeds stick to the fur of animals to get a ride to a new place. Ooh, now I know seeds also take a ride on animals. And look, you see these tiny ones? They are marigold seed.
Seed à?
Yep. Seed
seed?
This is the marigold seed. So this is a flower named marigold.
Okay.
Now you see it?
What is
Seed.
it? What are they?
They are peanut, and peanut are seed. Do you remember? You have a peanut that have 4 seeds. Remember? Well, sometimes you crack of the shell of the peanuts, of the peanuts, and then, well, you get 2 seeds. Well, one day my mom eat peanut, and I take a kind of long one and I crack it. It has 3 seeds. And then in the morning today, she sits next to me and eats peanut again. And then my mother says, look, this is long. I think it will have 4 seeds inside it. And I look at the seed. It's long. I think it has 4 seeds because, well, yesterday I said that, Mom, are there a peanut that have 4 seeds? But my mom says, well, it usually have 2 or 3 seeds of peanuts. But then today, I found one with 4 seeds. And with seed and with peanuts, well, we can make peanut butter. Seeds have many parts. All seeds have seed coats that protect the seed. Seed coat also help keep the seed from drying out. Some seeds also have hard shell. Why do you think some seeds have shell? Well, I will let you do these questions. Here, the shell is a peanut is hard and light brown. Here, the seed coat is thin and dark brown. Here, this part is a tiny plant. It will grow bigger. These parts give food to tiny plants so it can grow. Wow. Wait, what's this? What? How do seeds grow? A life cycle shows how a living thing grows. Live, make more of its own kind, and dies. The plant life cycle begins with a seed. Seeds need a warm place, light, water, and food in order to grow. Life cycle of a pine tree. Ooh, a pine tree. Look. Here. Look here.
Okay.
The pine cone The pine cone fall to the ground. Some seeds get moved to other places. A seed sprout and become a seedling or young plant.
Plant.
Yes. The seedling grows into an adult pine tree. Ooh, here's an adult pine tree. It grows cones so it can make new plants. Adult pine trees make seeds in cones instead of flowers. Ooh, so this plant does not have flower at all. Here, Most plants follow the same life cycle as their parent. Wow, it's so tall. See it? It was really tall. Up high to here. Redwood tree takes more than 2 years just to make cone. Wow, it takes 2 years just to make cone? Oh man. Most plants follow the same life cycle as the parent plant. Different kind of plants have different life cycle. Some plants live for just a few weeks. Other plants live for many years. Cool. What will a pine seed grow into? Well, a pine seed will grow into an adult pine tree. Think, talk, and write. Sequence. How do flowers make new plants? How do flowers make new plants? Well, you know, winds and animals and water scatter the seed, and then they grew up. And then the flower make new plants. 2. How would you take care of seed to help them grow? Oh, I would give them sunlight, water, space to grow. Focus on skills. Put things in order.
Order? When you put things in order?
When do I put things in order? When I make peanut and jelly butter. Wait. When I make jelly and butter, if I mix them up and then put the last orders on first order in the, like if I make a sandwich, it was a peanut butter and jelly. If I mix them up, it will be this. First, we put the piece of bread together, and then I put it together. If I mix it up, next, we put it on the plate. We put peanut butter on one piece of bread, and then put the piece of the peanut butter on the plate. We use the jelly to put on the other pieces. And isn't that a good sandwich? No. That looks like a mess. So the order is mixed up. Well, it was a mess. So you have to first put peanut butter on one piece of bread. Next, put jelly on the other piece of bread. And last, put them all together. Learn it. Think about how a plant grows. Then look at the pictures and put them in order. You can use a chart to help them tell the order. Here is a seed. A seedling grows. I plant a seed and then a seedling grows. Then to here. The plant gets bigger. Try it. Look at the picture below. Here is a river, a beaver dam and pond. You see this? You know what kind of animal is this? You know what kind of animal is this? Do you know what kind of animal is this?
Beaver eat tree.
No. Do you know that?
I don't know.
You don't know, so I'm going to tell you. This is a beaver.
Beaver.
Yes. You see this beaver? It was chewing the tree to then, and it will carry wood to make a dam.
What
Okay?
did it do?
It's cutting trees. See this long piece of wood? The beaver chew and chew. Oh.
Why?
To make well, they eat and then they make dam.
Okay.
See this big dam on the river, on the pond?